Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the birthday gifts that I got for my recent birthday. First gift that I'm going to look at is this Pico Dry Long Life Automatic Pencil 303. I've never had one, but it seems to be lots of people recommend them. Up until now, I've been using these Papermate Smart Writers, which are disposable, which work fine. But we'll try this out next. So it comes with one lead. You press here to extend it, hold it to push it back in. It does come with a little sharpener at the end. And I guess this comes off, and there's no extra leads, but I assume you can put one in there. So I'm anxious to give that a try in the future. I also got an Amazon gift card, which I'll probably use to get extra leads for this Pico Dry pencil. Next, I got this ToughBuilt scraper utility knife with 5 universal blades. As you can see, it could be used as a knife and has a scraper. So let's open this up. Here it is. And for safety, closes completely. Scraper, utility knife, and close. It also says it has a paint can opener at this end. So looking forward to using this also. And as mentioned, it does come with 5 extra blades. Next is the SCORCH marker heat gun. I did have an old Craftsman, which I got from my father a long time ago, but it hasn't been very reliable. So hopefully this will be nice when I need it. Power cord. The gun and manual. And it comes with a tip accessory. Cord acts as a stand also. We'll just plug it in. Looks to have 2 settings, low and high. It's very hot. So this will be a good addition to the shop. Lastly is a Dewalt compact router. This seems to be well reviewed everywhere. I did already have a Makita cordless compact router and a rigid cordless, but this seems to be the one that everybody likes. So let's open this one up. Use the knife. Okay, got the manual and the wrench. So, as mentioned, the manual and a wrench for the collet. And the router itself. It's much more bulky than my other one, but we'll see how it works. This one has the turn, which people seem to like better because it's a little more precise than the other type with the little rotary knob. Locks into place. There's a button to lock the collet. Two buttons on the side to completely take this off, which is nice. Really seems solid. Variable speed, 1 through 7. Now this was a deal from Home Depot, I guess, which included a free battery. They also had to buy the charger, as it was my first cordless Dewalt tool. It comes with a manual. So it has the charger and a 20 volt Dewalt 2 amp hour battery. Pre-charged 2 bars. And then the additional battery, nice and fat for sure. This one quite a bit bigger than the other one, but this is 5 amp hour, this is 2 amp hour. This one needs to be charged, only one light on it. Like I said, it's quite a bit heavier than my other routers, but that's probably a good thing. Like that it has a fast stop. So that's it for this video. I'll be glad to try this one out. Like I said, it's quite a bit heftier and heavy than the other routers I have. Oh, also has lights, which is nice. My other routers don't have the lights, so I had to add a little light when I needed to do some precise stuff. So anyways, that concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed. And take care.